Hello, this is the unpacking of my second, what's the name again? OLEVS watch. Yes, last week I unpacked my first one. I will show it. I am wearing it now. This one. Yeah, so I was happy with it. It's still running fine. And like so. And now another one. Last week I mentioned that this one, the green dial dual tone band, that I want to have a full golden one, the tone. So let's see. I ordered. Yeah, please bear with me again. Difficult to open. Oh, some of these nonsense goodies. All right. Hollywood film and television superstar. Now, I don't know you. I don't care. Okay. Ah, quite a nice box. Okay. Ah, here it is. Oh, yeah. This is the one. Oh, I love that they include this one. Still the plastic on, of course, so it looks like it is dirty, but it isn't. Again, a nice heft. Display case. There's a nice sheen to it, kind of gold filter. Nice, I like that. All right. Okay, I will size it and then I will wear and show it again. Thanks for watching.